Hello everyone, we are live. I am Saili Maru, founder of Finding Back Women's Community, who exclusively work for women's empowerment, who help single working mothers to bounce back in their life, to create their own identity and look after themselves in physical and emotional health. Today we are going to have a very live session. Before that, I would like to introduce the core team member of Finding Back, who is a physical fitness trainer, who is helping women to reclaim their health, who is a yoga instructor and a holistic coach. Young and dynamic Dhruvi Malde. Over to you, Dhruvi.
Thank you for the lovely introduction, Saili. I am with Finding Back team and I am on a mission to help women to reclaim their physical health. And today we are going to have very lively interactive session with our speaker. Let me introduce her. She is a mother of two young sons. One is 8-year-old and one is 2.5-year-old. She is she has done her MBBS, MD in human physiology with special interest in reproductive and lactation physiology. She is a certified childbirth and lactation coach and also a yoga teacher, certified yoga teacher. She is she has 10 years of experience in the field of maternal and childbirth. She has conducted multiple prenatal programs for corporates and corporate hospitals as well. She has provided services to ICDS also. She is the founder of prenatal program that is 9 month and beyond, which is specifically designed for expecting parents, new moms, and support system of the family. Let's welcome Dr. Smita and hear more about her journey and her program. Over to you,
Thank you
Smita.
so much. Thank you so much, Saili, and thank you so much, Dhruvi. My heartfelt gratitude to Finding Back team and Saili and Dhruvi for inviting me for this interactive session. Please accept my gratitude. Thank you so much for inviting.
We are glad to have you on our platform, Dr. Smita. And your subject, the topic, it's 9 months and beyond. That is completely every woman is resonating because I believe that a child gives birth to a mother,
True, true,
right?
absolutely.
So yeah, so this is a very a topic which every woman must be wanting, that how I should plan my 9 months. So my the curiosity which is like, okay, 9 months, once the delivery is done, baby is fine, mother is fine. So what is that 9 months and beyond? And I would really like to know what has triggered you to start such a program, because you being a doctor, you are a coach also, and such a beautifully you are creating an awareness about the pregnancy and after pregnancy. What are the things one really need to look after to have a healthy parenting experience? So, Dr. Smita, I would really like to know in detail what is your program is all about and how this has triggered to you to start this concept.
Great question, Saili. Thank you so much for that wonderful question. That has a story, and I'll start with a story. Okay, so when I think about my childhood, I was in a girls' school. So till 8th standard, I was in a girls' school. So I saw the teenage problems, menstrual problems, the young teenage girl going through, various difficulties. Uh, I felt there is some communication gap. I was very small. I was just a teenager, and surrounding, I thought, when a girl goes through a lot of problems where she cannot communicate with her peer group, or she cannot communicate with her parents. So what is the solution for that? In that young age, that something triggered to do something with the women's health, or do something for the education of women, or do something for the teenage girls. So that somewhere triggered. And the second thing is, when it comes to pregnancy, when it comes to childbirth, when it's comes to breastfeeding, I saw there is a need of education, there is a need of awareness in this community. So in my family, I saw postpartum blues, the mother, the young new mother going through, postpartum depression. So something was going on there in the mind, and that triggered me to go into the field of healthcare. So, but I realized that this school is not for me. I realized that there is not the growth. I was not seeing the growth, my growth. I was not able to see myself, taking a step where I will be able to fulfill my dream of going to the healthcare department. I was not sure कि चलो डॉक्टर ही बनना है, ऐसा ही करना है, वैसा ही करना है, ऐसा कुछ भी श्योर नहीं था. I just wanted to do something with the women's health, women's community, or something related to reproductive health. तो सोचा चलो एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट जाते हैं, नहीं तो फिर हेल्थ केयर कहीं ना कहीं. तो सो दैट समवेयर वो जो होता है ना कि एक ट्रिगर जो था वो बोथ था, वहां पे था. Then the journey of the college happened. The I completed my MBBS from reputed government medical college. Then the MD happened, and I got very amazing group of friends, and they really helped me to grow.
Wow.
My thoughts resonated with their thoughts, and they helped me grow from here to here. Wherever I felt stuck, I took their help. I went to them and I discussed with them, and I feel really, grateful to have such a amazing group of friends during my graduation, during my post graduation, doing my MD in human physiology, and then the pregnancy happened. My first pregnancy, and the stepping stone for 9 months and beyond was my first pregnancy. So this my program, my prenatal program, 9 months and beyond, it has my, I can say it is my child. It's like my child. It has my blood. It has my hormones, everything. So all the postpartum experiences and the changes, whatever I've gone through. So that program has all the not just the experiences, not just the ups and downs of the things which are going through my whole journey, and the surrounding and the family also. So that's how the journey of 9 months and beyond started. And then the various programs came along, and then I came across this wonderful community of licensed purpose coach community. And then the journey of, how the power of community affects, and how community helps you to grow. That thing happened. So that's how 9 months and beyond started.
You are truly amazing, inspiring story, doctor. And I'm sure when a doctor herself is sharing her 9 months and beyond journey, as you rightly say, it's your baby. So what your program is your baby. So I can definitely say, you being a compassionate person who is a doctor and who is also a coach in creating this awareness, it's really amazing. I really wanted to know what this program is for whom. Like, is there any specific, like before pregnancy, one can start this program, or who can join this program? Who can get benefit out of this program?
Great question, Saili. What I realized is, there are a woman goes through a lot of changes, starting from teenage. Then the girl goes to college. Then the peer, pressure comes. How she looks, how others look, how her hairs are, how the skin looks. Okay, so that thing comes. And then the stage comes where family starts, and she thinks about the wedding part, the family part. Basically, she is on a familial way, we can say. तो पहले क्या होता था कि जो जनरेशन से जनरेशन, द नॉलेज ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ यूज टू कम फ्रॉम जनरेशंस टू जनरेशंस. बाद में बहुत मतलब almost 1,150 or hundreds of years ago, or one, this knowledge used to get transferred from generations to generation. बाद में क्या हुआ, वहां पे वो जगह हॉस्पिटल्स ने ले ली. ठीक है, तो वो जो कम्युनिकेशन जो है जनरेशंस का, वो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें गैप आ गया. देर आर लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स वेयर हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम गॉट immense improvement in the healthcare system, and that really helped a woman's health and really helped maternal health and child care health to improve. बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जो एंटीनेटल एजुकेशन था, वो जो एजुकेशन पार्ट था, वो कहीं ना कहीं मिस होते गया. एंड देन द न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज आर ऑन अ राइज. देयर आर वास्ट इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट. इंफॉर्मेशन का आपको भी पता है कि देयर इज नो एंड. When you just Google it, you will get lots of, vast amount of information is there on the internet. So what happens is a new parent or a new mother or a new husband who are planning to have a baby, they're already going through a lot of doubts. They're already settling down somewhere ki everything is right, whether we are ready for the to start the family or to start the pregnancy. They're still in that doubt. So that somewhere the correct and the reliable information is missing. Information is there, but they are not able to catch that reliable information, because there is vast amount of information which is available, and that creates a doubt, that creates a lack of clarity, and that creates a confusion, and that new mom goes through a lot of frustration कि क्या करें. And the thing is, in our education system, we learn about reproductive health. Okay, how the ovum is formed, how the sperm is formed, what is the fertilization, how the embryo is formed. Biology के students, but everything this is all theoretical. जो practical है, unless you become pregnant, unless you experience that phase, you are not able to understand what are the changes happening there. ठीक है, तो कहीं ना कहीं अपने एजुकेशन सिस्टम में वो पार्ट मिसिंग है. theoretical is there, but somewhere this antenatal education should come so that a new mother or a new girl is somewhere prepared for all these changes. So the thing is, why these programs are or why this antenatal education is needed in current scenario is lack of awareness, lack of clarity, and lack of communication between the family about all these changes, and lack of clarity, basically lack of planning, you can say. So all these programs, they provide the platform where a new parent, a support system in the family, they come to us and they plan the things. We plan for our education, right? We plan for our career, we plan for school, but we never plan for that single human being which is going to come into their lives and change their life for the lifetime. So we provide the platform where they come and get themselves educated, and the planning comes step by step. So we'll be discussing the programs in detail throughout this course of this session.
Thank you, Dr. Smita, and we are eager to know about this.
Dr. Smita, I'm very curious to know how you came, you are a medical professional. Then how you came in, how you became a yoga teacher as well. I really want to know that journey of yours.
Mm-hmm. Wow, great question. That is a wonderful story again. So when I was, we planned our first pregnancy, we discussed. So being a medical professional, I was always curious about the things which are already there in our heritage. See, yoga, yogic sciences, all these are part of our heritage, and the developed countries, US, Canada, and the other developed countries, they are following their reading, they are learning our great heritage and all the wisdom we have, and since it is going on since generations. So I was always interested. Being an allopathy doctor, I was not aware of the things which are there in Upanishads, which are there in our Vedas, which are there. So the whole concept of the reproductive health, it is already mentioned there in the Garbhopanishads, which is our Upanishad. Okay, so I was interested in that, and how the things, how the connection can happen with the baby, with the unborn baby, how that connection can be formed with that unborn baby with the न्यू पेरेंट्स. हम लोगों ने गर्भ संस्कार के बारे में काफी सुना है पहले से, और इसके बारे में, तो आई वांटेड टू गो डीप इनटू दैट. सो वन ऑफ आवर renowned gynecologist, Dr. Ulka Nathu ma'am, so I always appreciate her efforts, because she is the one who encouraged us, not just to me, to my husband as well. So we went to her for our counseling, pre-conception counseling, because we always wanted to plan our baby. So she suggested ki Smita, why don't you start your yoga journey? Why don't you start your doing teacher's certification in that? So we enrolled, and that's how the yoga journey started in 2016-17, and it helped immensely in throughout my pregnancy, throughout my postpartum period, and my second pregnancy as well.
Thank you, Dr. Smita. That's great. Yes, continue.
Yes. So yoga is integral part of all the programs. Yoga helps. We include yoga incorporate yogic practices to those couples who are planning pregnancy, those who are already pregnant. Obviously, the method differs. There are some restrictions during pregnancy. So according to the trimester wise, we have designed the structure for them. So for first 3 trimesters, the yogic asanas and the breathing practices and the pranayamas are different. So we have structure for that, and we have streamlined the process according to the trimester. पहले 3 महीने में क्या करना है, अगले 3 महीने में क्या करना है, और जो लास्ट के में 7th 8th 9th मंथ में तो काफी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस आ जाते हैं. द मदर की cannot move because of the contour, and the belly is increasing, and because the center of gravity is deviated because of obviously the birth, the weight of the baby. So the yogic asanas and the breathing practices, breathing processes are streamlined and structured according to the trimesters of the pregnancy.
Okay, here you cleared one myth also, because many women have a myth that when they get pregnant, they cannot do exercise. And now they got a clear idea that yes, even when they are pregnant, they can do asanas and pranayams. So thank you so much for sharing that.
Yes, wonderful. Dhruvi, one more thing is, पहले क्या होता था ना कि our grandmothers, our great grandmothers, they used to do lot of work. चक्की चलाना है, फिर आपका जो भी वो जो pelvic floor muscles का जो strengthening है, वो already हो जाता था उस टाइम पे, उतना अलग कुछ कर, because but today's lifestyle is like everything is ready made. We have food processor, we have everything available readily. Okay, so those pelvic floor muscles are not strengthening. So somewhere we need to do pelvic floor muscle strengthening, or to increase the flexibility of those muscles, because those are the muscles who are responsible for the healthy childbirth.
Yes, true, very true. Can you also tell us whether your program contains diet and nutrition package also? Means the program includes this, because diet plays a very important role when the tiny baby is there inside the womb. True. So please highlight some points.
Absolutely, Dhruvi. See, 50 grams here and there doesn't डू मच डिफरेंस टू मदर. ठीक है, 50 ग्राम मदर का कम हो गया, 500 ग्राम इधर उधर हो गया, कोई, बट दैट 50 ग्राम मैटर्स अ लॉट टू दैट बेबी. That 50 gram matters a lot. That is where the role of nutrition comes. That is where the role of carbohydrates, the role of protein, how and where and when, which micronutrient, which component of the nutrient should be incorporated. That plays a very important role during pregnancy. So, your embryo, when the fertilization happens, it's a microscopic structure. It's a miracle of the nature. That microscopic structure becomes 3.25, 3.5 ka baby. It's a miracle, right?
True, true,
You
true.
also will agree. So nutrition plays immense role. And just to make it very very simple, because the mother is already going through a lot of changes, physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, बहुत सारे changes हो रहे हैं. And mother is career oriented, उसको career भी करना है, family भी संभालनी है, सब कुछ. तो समटाइम्स न्यूट्रिशन को वो बैक स्टेज पे रख देती कि नहीं चलो अभी खा लूंगी, अभी ये काम कर लेती हूँ लैपटॉप पे अपना ऑफिस का, अभी खा लूंगी. सो समवेयर द न्यूट्रिशन पार्ट goes to back stage. And you know a lot of changes and a lot of complications sometimes happen because of the lack of nutrition, lack of proper nutrition, or we can say lack of awareness about the
Awareness. True.
awareness.
Yes.
I can completely agree what you said, that mother goes with lot of not only physical changes, okay, hormonal changes, the mood swings, and the entire emotional health of a mother. We know that, being educated also, a lot of female, we hear about that, emotional health, the stress of a mother, the anxiety, the fear of a mother will definitely badly impact to the newborn. But still the pregnancy is such a phase that woman's emotional health is up and down because of the hormonal changes. So, what you would like to give an advice to a woman who are already pregnant or maybe who are planning to conceive, how they should take care of their mental health during pregnancy? And definitely my next question will be after pregnancy, because even the delivery, sometimes like I get a cases of women for a counseling when they have the postpartum depression. Okay, earlier they were so keen of getting conceived and they were very happy in enjoying the pregnancy, but the delivery time they got a delivery trauma. Somebody may go to Caesar, somebody may go to a normal delivery, but that delivering a baby, it becomes such a trauma for them that after giving a birth to a baby they go directly into the postpartum depression. And I remember that there are few cases, like 2 3 cases which I have handled, where the mother was not ready to take the child to feed because she used to feel that because of this child I have gone through such a pain, I really don't want to take him. So the trauma, the emotional health has deteriorated at that level. So how, doctor, you would guide us, the women who are really looking for a getting conceived or who are pregnant or who are just approaching the delivery, how they should mental their emotional health, because this is very crucial. Physical health can be taken care by, okay, people are there, you are excited, people are there to give you the proper food at a time, you are able to feed your baby also, but that emotional trauma which cannot be seen to any family members also. So what advice you would like to give to the woman who is going through these phases, and what a family support system should look into it to help the woman to come overcome this postpartum depression? I think Dr. Smita has maybe she will join
Some.
soon.
Yes.
Yeah, in some time. But the Dhruvi, what I talked about it, it seriously, it was so much that mother was not ready to take that child
Take
and
the baby.
yeah, breastfeeding. So it was very difficult time for a entire
Woman.
family, and yeah, and even a woman. She was
Yes.
so happy that she was like approaching the delivery and all, but the pain, the trauma, it was so difficult for her to come out of it, and that has literally taken almost 2 months or 3 months for her to come out of it completely. But during that time the baby has also suffered. Like
Suffered.
if you don't feed, yeah, a newborn on a
Um,
proper time, and if you
yes.
don't connect to your baby, so the
Baby.
earlier bonding which is needed to have between child
Get
and mother,
yes.
yeah, it has not been initiated that. But yes, I'm happy that after some consultation she has overcome, and the best part is that the family member were very supportive.
Very good. That's a
Yeah.
big thing. Otherwise, if they are not supporting, then again it's a very much burden on the woman, right?
True, true. It was very difficult for her. And after few months, she met me and she said that, sorry, Sally ma'am, that, I don't know how I was behaving at that moment. I said, it's absolutely okay. Thank to God that you didn't took much time. And whatever time you have lost to develop that connection with your child, try to give maximum now. It's okay. So the care and advice and consultation at the right time is very important. So, doctor, my question is to you: how a woman should take her mental health during pregnancy and after delivery also?
Great question, Siley. Thank you so much for coming up and bringing the point here. And
Yes.
because that really needs to be, addressed. What happens is a mother, new mom, goes through a lot of, not just a mother, a father also going through a lot of changes, because a new member is going to come into their family and they have to plan according to that. Okay, not just physically, but all the things financially and the space, everything. So what happens is, when a mother goes through all the physical, emotional, and mental changes, somewhere she feels that somebody should be there to understand her. Okay,
True.
so what the gap comes, and the problem comes when she thinks that somebody should read her mind. So lack of communication is, the key. Lack of communication is the issue which needs to be addressed. Instead of
True.
seeking sympathy, instead of seeking uh, thinking that somebody should come to me and ask, she should not think that somebody should read my mind. Communication is,
True.
needs to be incorporated. And the second thing is, society and the workplace. So what happens, I'll share my story of first pregnancy. Being a health professional, being person who knows theoretically, and then whatever things we have read in our graduation and post graduation, that pregnancy is physiological process, everything is normal, nothing is pathological. We all know, right? कि pregnancy is physiological क्योंकि generation से चला आ रहा है. But why this the cases of postpartum anxiety? Why the cases of postpartum blues? Why the cases of postpartum depression are rising? First thing is, lack of communication, as we discussed. Second thing is, the women are not now busy. They are ambitious, and that is again a great thing. They are equally focusing on their career, and they should. Why not? I always say कि pregnancy is not, it's not a maternity break. It's a new beginning, because
True.
whatever changes are happening inside you are not just that you are giving birth to a child. All these hormonal changes, all the changes which are happening inside her, are like giving a signal to her that it's a new beginning. It's a signal to her and her husband and her family that she is not a break. She is on a new beginning. She is going to reborn, and not just reborn, she's going to reborn with superpowers. So that is how
Yes.
we empower new mothers. That is how we empower new parents, that this is not a break. Okay, so what happens is, enjoy, cherish these all these moments. अभी आप शिवाजी, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज हैं, कल्पना चावला हैं, Sachin Tendulkar हैं. Those were tiny human beings inside their mother's womb sometime. Okay, so the carrying that tiny human being at that time it has a bigger purpose. Okay, so you are carrying a future of this world. So think in that way, empower yourself in that way, that your pain, your changes, your uh, mood swings, your going crazy sometimes, crying without any reason, all
True.
these have a bigger purpose. You're going to birth the future of this world, and you have the responsibility, you have that, God has given you an opportunity to nurture that future, to nourish that future. So like how we empower. So a mother thinks, oh, somewhere I'm restricted my movements, I'm not able to go swimming, I'm not able to travel a lot, जो मैं कर पाती थी प्रेगनेंसी के पहले, अभी मैं बेबी के साथ नहीं कर पा रही, बहुत रेस्ट्रिक्शंस आ रहे हैं. बट बियॉन्ड दैट, you God has chosen you for a bigger purpose. God has given you an opportunity to nourish that future.
Wow. So beautifully you said, and I completely resonate with you, Dr. Smita. Woman's journey is not at all easy, but whatever pain you are going through, and Creator has created you to
True.
create a future and nourish them, because that only the power God has given to a woman. And
True.
definitely I think with such a wonderful people like you who are creating this awareness, and the medical professionals and the coaches who are working to empower community and creating the community to empower parents. Okay,
True.
so that is so wonderfully, and I think your purpose to create this 9 months and beyond program is such a big thing, like a vision. Your purpose is such a high that everybody who is really finding difficulty to go ahead can definitely connect to you, and it will really help them to extend themselves and make a difference by creating and nurturing the beautiful lives, the lives who is there in a womb, or lives who really want to come, so we can be a big purpose for them. So Dr. Smita, I would really like you to highlight what is your program content. It will help audience also to resonate, and if they really want to connect, definitely audience, you can connect to Finding Back community. You can put your questions. Dr. Smita is there in our Finding Back community group, Facebook group. We are there on LinkedIn also. You can email us at connect@findingback.com. So Dr. Smita will be able to answer your queries. And Dr. Smita would love to know about your program in detail, because I think it is covering everything, and I really want to know what else I'm getting. If a mother is watching here, definitely she is more curious to know that how best this program can be helpful to me, my partner, and my baby, and how I can lead a wonderful purpose.
Great, wonderful, Siley. Before going to the details of the program, I must once again, my please accept my heartfelt gratitude, and all the women and the parents and the support systems in the family who are lively, who are watching our session live, and who will be seeing the recording later. I must, tell them to, you know. To get a real time experience of how a woman can help each other, to empower each other when you are in a community of like minded people. अभी आप देख रहे हैं कि how one woman empowers others, how one woman helps other women to grow. ठीक है, तो that is how a power of community works. So thank you so much, Saili and Dhruvi, for coming up and bringing this topic at this platform. So coming to the details and the details of 9 months and beyond, the couples who are planning pregnancy, that is the best audience, and that is the best time to start this journey. So we enroll new couples who are who are into that phase where they are thinking about planning a pregnancy. So we prepare themselves how to be, how to boost their fertility, what should be the diet when they are planning pregnancy, what should be the routine, what should be the schedule. We discuss the physical intimacy. We discuss the type of asanas and the fitness regime which a expecting couple should follow, because the quality of the seed de- determines and defines the ultimate quality of the plant. So
Health.
that is where we you know encourage all the couples who are planning pregnancy. So we have a special program for couples who are planning pregnancy. um, 9 weeks program. It's a comprehensive childbirth program, comprehensive pregnancy program, and the name is 9 months and beyond. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि once the pregnancy is confirmed, a new parent comes and enrolls with us. It has trimester wise routine schedule we have given. We give modules, we give um, hands-on training. We have childbirth model set where we demonstrate the whole process, how the things happen, how the physical changes happen during pregnancy. We have uterus model, we have a baby model, we have umbilical cord. So we give real time experience of pregnancy.
Wow.
हम छोटी छोटी चीजें सिखाते हैं क्योंकि ये चीज हमको एजुकेशन में नहीं सिखाया है. Theoretically we read, but
Right.
once you get the hands-on experience, once you see, then only you are prepared for that thing. तो हम लोग न्यू पेरेंट को उस आने वाली जर्नी के लिए बेसिकली प्रिपेयर करते हैं कि ये चेंजेस होने वाले हैं. एक्चुअल चाइल्ड बर्थ हम लोग उस बेबी चाइल्ड बर्थ मॉडल से हम लोग डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं. And the thing is, we have a breast model. We show the anatomy of the breast. We show how a mother should get herself prepared for breastfeeding. What is correct latch? What if the cracks happen? What if there are some issues with the nipple? What if the baby is not latching properly? So all these issues we discuss beforehand, and we give the modules. We give the diary also, pregnancy diary, to maintain throughout the 9 months, so that she can treasure, she can cherish the memories of pregnancy throughout
So
her life.
beautiful.
Oh,
That's so
yes.
beautiful.
So this
Wow.
is about 9 weeks program, which is a comprehensive program, starting from the diet, yogic asanas, preparation about the pregnancy, the process of childbirth. Everything is included in 9 months and beyond program. But those who are just want to focus on just a breastfeeding thing, ki we just approaching delivery, our delivery date is coming very near, हमको 9 weeks का टाइम नहीं है, हम आपको 9 weeks नहीं दे पा रहे हैं because of the busy schedule, they can still learn from us, they can still come to us. So we have a 1-to-1 2 hours का एक consultation हम लोग करते हैं. There we just focus on the breastfeeding preparedness part. And the name of that program is Nurturing the Future. It's a basic breastfeeding preparedness program.
Wow.
Lovely
That's so
name.
awesome. Yeah. And it's
Yeah.
like you are going more into detail about it. The best part that you are showing everything with a model. And I think that is very, it gives clear idea to the couple that how they should actually hold the baby. Right. So I
True, true.
remember like, I thought, after hearing you, I thought I would have also gone through this program, when I was into that phase, because holding a baby for
Excellent.
the first time, it was not easy. Like we are more excited, and we really want to hold our baby. But my son was 3.5 kg, and I was like, what if I hold him and he may fall down
True.
from my hand and all? But I think preparing parents with all these minute things, these are very, very important. And you are going much in detail showing the model about it. And that's wonderful, Dr. Smita. And I'm sure with this kind of program, the stress, the stress what parents go through, okay, abhi to delivery aa raha hai, I don't know uske baad kya hoga. It really gets disappear, and they will be able to make this journey more meaningful, more fruitful, and
Beautiful.
more enjoyable. Like, it will be a best memories. Like, there will be no stress, but they are well prepared. They have knowledge. They know actually how to change maybe a nappy of a baby, how to actually hold a baby while breastfeeding it, what goes wrong in a breastfeeding at a moment, what you should do. It will help your child to suck your nipple and have his milk. So these are
True.
very very tiny things, but it's so important. And with these awesome initiatives, wonderful programs, I'm sure parents, it's going to help you a lot. So if you are really looking to reduce your stress and anxiety related to your pregnancy and your parenthood, if you really want your parenthood and this pregnancy phase to be more enjoyable and more memorable, do join the program of 9 months and beyond. And I'm sure by joining this program, definitely you will be more connecting to Dr. Smita beyond your 9 months also. So it's great to see Dr. Smita with this program, these initiatives where we are creating making the difference by creating the awareness and making this wonderful journey more meaningful, more purposeful. So audience, if you are watching this, or some of you will be watching the recording of it, kindly put your queries and do let us know what different kind of session you would really looking for Finding Back team. We will come up with lot of different initiatives, as Finding Back looks after the woman's physical and mental health. We are more into woman empowerment. We are more into helping women to help themselves, find themselves back, create their own identity, and flourish in this wonderful life. So, to all the women over here, rise high.
Guys, hi.
Rise high with Finding Back team. And
True.
we sincerely thank you, Dr. Smita, for accepting this invitation and guiding the wonderful parenthood journey and helping parents to make a difference in their life by actually initiating this program. You are creating impact not only to the parents, but for
But the
the next
future.
generation. Yes, the future of our generations. And I thank you, Dr. Smita, and from accept the best wishes
Gratitude.
from the Finding Back team. And I know your intention is so high. You are very compassionate person. With these wonderful initiatives, you will definitely make a lot of difference. And would like to see you soon again with some other concepts and helping parents
Certainly.
question and answer. If they come across these few initiatives, we will definitely take into consideration. We would like to have into our few sessions also ahead. With this,
Definitely.
we are giving you a lot of best wishes to you, Dr. Smita.
Thank you so much, Finding Back team. Please accept my heartfelt gratitude from, and I appreciate your efforts, how you're helping women to come forward, utilize their expertise, and keep not to keep themselves or stay backstage and see the show. So you are encouraging all the women, and you're giving them platform to explore their expertise. That is truly commendable. And I would like to again emphasize on the power of community one more time. How a woman,
True.
when the group comes, how they grow together, you know um, and how the accountability, when someone is accountable for your growth, someone is mentoring you, how it helps. That is wonderful example of Finding Back team. So thank you so much for that. Definitely, yes. I would love to come again on this platform to share the other initiatives which 9 months and beyond team conducts. Apart from the pregnancy
True.
and the childbirth, we also have a fitness program, like postpartum fitness, and those who want to achieve the best physical health which they had before pregnancy. So we again are we have wonderful programs for postpartum fitness as well. So again, thank you so much, Saili and Dhruvi, for inviting me. So here is our Chotu. So we
Oh wow.
have a childhood model set where we have a model of this newborn baby which has exactly all the features of newborn, starting from the anterior fontanelle, posterior fontanelle, everything, the anatomical. So we prepare the mother, we prepare that new parent for this wonderful journey which they are going to cherish throughout the life. So this is the breast model, just to give the hang of it. Okay, so this has anatomy inside, how the breast, how the milk is prepared basically. So the anatomy we
Okay.
cover. This is our uterus model, how the baby grows inside, how the amniotic fluid is there, and how umbilical cord is connected to the baby. And this is the pelvis model. Okay, just to
Okay.
give a real time
Time
experience.
experience.
So that's
Yes.
so wonderful. Like, I'm sure that, as you rightly said, the theoretical knowledge, and when you are using the real time
Practically.
knowledge with these models, it gives more clarity. So that is amazing. And Dr. Smita, definitely, as you rightly said, the power of community. Me and Ruby having a vision of impacting 1,000 women in 2021 through our various initiatives, and we are really looking for a woman who are having their own stories, who are making difference to other women's life, are more encouraged. We are encouraging them on join our finding back community, because a lot of things will be coming on in short period of time. And we really see, as you rightly said, Dhruvi has a vision of, she is a being a fitness trainer, she has a vision of impacting women, reclaiming their health, because she also get lot of cases where women are really struggling to get their health back. It could be after pregnancy, it could be those who are career oriented and not able to take care of themselves properly. Me being a counselor, I get a lot of clients where they are struggling onto emotional health, when they are struggling into some family issues, when they are struggling into their identity. So that is what Finding Back team is vision, a vision, having a vision of impacting 1,000 women in 2021. We are glad to say that so far we have impacted 400 women through various initiatives. Me
Wonderful.
being a parent educator and a purpose coach, we have a long vision of actually helping women in all areas of life. As you said, power of community. So we definitely say a woman, like-minded woman, when they come together
Come
and
together.
when they have a purpose, when they have a pain, when they have a purpose, and when they have a strong vision, with help of each other, we are able to rise high.
Hi.
So let's hold hand of each other and help each other to rise high, because it's not that one person. By impacting one person's life, you are contributing into the life of so many people who are around that woman. You are contributing in the life of their children. You are contributing in the life of their other family members. So that is the vision of Finding Back, and we are there to help the woman who is on a career break, who is struggling, having identity crisis, and who is really want to bounce back.
Bounce back.
Definitely, yes, definitely you can go through our website, which is www.findingback.com. Look after our other programs, and you feel that we can be the best help to you. Definitely reach to us. And you can email us on connect@findingback.com. So with this, with lot of best wishes and lot of wishes to our audience, yes, let's do something and make a difference. It could be a difference in one single life. So with this, Dr. Smita, we are wishing you all the best for your this journey. Lots of wishes to you.
Thank you so much, audience. Thank you so much, Siley. Thank you so much to all our viewers who are watching us live now and who are going to watch us in the recording. Thank you so much.
Yes.
All the best to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.